Hello guys and welcome to CryptoBall. In this video we are going to take a look at another interesting NFT project which is building a play to earn game and which includes 3 different tokens where you can mine different parts and much more guys. So today we are going to talk about a rise of the Warbots next generation blockchain gaming. They are building again another NFT play to earn game, and I believe that the play to earn games will be the future guys. That's why I'm reviewing these projects, and this project is running on Binance Smart Chain and this is also running on Polygon. However, game is played on Polygon guys, because you know for yourselves that Polygon transactions are very cheap and Polygon transactions are very fast, and this is similar or also with Binance Smart Chain. Here you can watch this video. This is pretty much a short history of this game, how it started, or pretty much a story of this game. I will not be playing you this YouTube video guys, because obviously I might get a copyright strike from YouTube if I will be playing it. But in general, to give you a short understanding what this game is about, this is when world has collapsed as per this video guys, and you can first search more information on their white paper. We will go over white paper as well a little bit later in this video, but in general this is when internet collapsed, everything collapsed all in the world. Then there's these Warbots appeared and you can play this game and you can fight and much more. So Rise of the Warbots is a turn-based play to earn NFT game built on the Polygon blockchain and is playable in augmented reality. Warbots battle in post-apocalyptic world for players to collect valuable prizes and bragging rights. The unique game mechanics require players to strategically balance their supply of tokens to determine how to optimally acquire new tokens from the market, stake tokens to generate new and unique Warbots, so as there will be also staking of these tokens, upgrade their existing roster of Warbots and engage their Warbots in combat with other players. So play and earn. This is the main idea behind this NFT project. So this is also playable, as you saw here guys, in augmented reality. And the tokenomics or the tokens of these games, there will be 3 types of these tokens. One will be for micro machines, where you are getting these tokens, and when you have these tokens you are able to mine them or you are able to stake them and mint these robots. As you see, micro machines, the token name is MMAC, are the first token in the Rise of the Warbots ecosystem and a highly scarce asset guys, and only 2,000 of these MMACs were originally released guys. However, 50% of them were burned, as it's also said here, and there is only 1,000 tokens. So the total supply is only 1,000 tokens, and the transaction tax of the MMAC token is 10% and breaks down as follows. 8% goes to liquidity and 2% is rebalanced to hodlers. So players who are hodling also these tokens, they are able to earn 2% by hodling. There are nano machines. The second token in the Rise of the Warbots ecosystem are nano machines, and this will be NMAC token, and nano machines are needed to activate Warbots from their initial amorphous state and to buy nano NFTs from the marketplace. So this is another use case. And there is more guys. There is the cesium batteries. These are batteries which are needed also for these Warbots. And the third and the last token in the Rise of the Warbots ecosystem are the cesium batteries, and these tokens will be used to power the Oracle engine, which controls the randomization of the game, such as battle moves and NFT states. And NFT stats, here is also the NFTs, upgradable collectibles. So there will be these Warbots. As you see, Warbots are NFTs that can be minted by staking at least 1 full MMAC token. So if you are hodling these first MMAC tokens, you can mint these Warbots guys. So as there are Warhelm patches, like Warhelm patches are also an NFT cards, as you can see here guys, that can be integrated with a Warbot NFT to increase its stats. You can buy Wormhelm patches on the free market. They will be be available on OpenSea.io. And OpenSea, I believe everyone who is watching this video, you know that OpenSea is NFT marketplace. And nano NFTs, there will be also these nano NFTs, which will be different items in this game. As you see, nano NFTs are NFT cards that contain special abilities or weapons that can be used with Warbot NFTs. There is much more information on their white paper. If you click at the very top in the middle, as you see, there is white paper. On white paper you can get and read more in detail about this project, what it does, how it works. As you see, here is forward-looking statements. You can watch that, guys. You can have a look at table of contents, what is there, and basically here is also the main idea behind this game and how it works, and about these all NFTs which will be here. But here is the idea or story, I would say. Warbots gameplay. Warbots will be pitted against each other in a turn-based battle in the combat zone. Each Warbot has a specific stats that directly influences the randomization of the battle. Using nano NFTs, as we already previewed, nano NFT cards, these stats can be enhanced and help a lower stat Warbot defeat one with higher stat, guys. And there's much more information. Obviously I will not be reading and getting in all of it. The next great NFT game, guys, Warbots battle in post-apocalyptic world for prizes and bargain rights. And obviously you can go and read more. And there is also micro machines. These are all these NFTs. What is blockchain? This is for beginners, guys. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and NFT based gaming, and so on and so forth. There's loads of information also available on their white paper. But in general, yes, guys, I find that this project is interesting, and if it gets a community around it, guys, you never know, this project also could explode. Obviously, if you're interested to learn more or find more information about this project, you can search or check their social media. As you see at the top, they have here Twitter, like Telegram, like Discord, where you can ask questions. They have YouTube, Instagram, and much more. So yes, guys, this was my review. This is just my opinion. As always, find it interesting, building on Polygon with different interesting features. Decided to review here on CryptoBull channel. Hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next one.